Hi students, welcome back. This is Plus 2 Computer Science Chapter 8 Part 2 video. Before getting into the video, please do subscribe. So in previous class we have discussed about creating strings and accessing characters in a string. And today we are going to learn about modifying and deleting strings and string operators. So let's start with the first topic, that is modifying and deleting strings. So we know that strings in Python are immutable. That means immutable means once if you define a string, modification or deletion, this both are not at all allowed. That is called immutable. So once if you declare a string to a variable, that is fixed, it will be constant. You cannot make any changes. In case if you want to modify the string, what we can do? You have to enter a new string. For the same existing variable, you have to enter a new string. So the old string will be erased completely and a new string will be written. So this is the way to modify a string. Okay, now look at the example. Here we do have a string variable named str and it has been assigned with a string value how are you. So this is the first statement and I'm just going to try to update the first character of the given string. So let's write the statement here, that is second statement, the name of the variable str, and in this given string if you want to update the first character we have to say the index value. So index, how we can say the index value? Using this square bracket. And if you're writing 0 means we are mentioning the first character in the given string. So we just try to update. Let us try to update. Simply give equal to and assign some value. Okay, this is the way to modify the given string. So let's try. Let's execute this program and check whether it works or not. So here we do get error message, that is type error message. It says that just read the last line alone. str is the variable name. Object does not support item assignment. Yes, string in Python, they are actually immutable. We cannot change at all. Once if you define a statement or define a string, it is constant. It acts as constant value. So how to modify then? If this is not possible, what we can do? Simply write the variable again and assign new string value to the existing string variable. So actually what happens? It overwrites the existing string. So let's write one more print statement just to verify whether the updated value is actually stored in the memory or not. Sorry. So we have to write the same variable name. Okay. Now look at the line carefully. Statement 1 we do have how are you and we do have a print statement. So how are you will be printed. Statement 2 for the same variable we have written another new string and we have tried to print the variable. So let's execute this. Yes, we got the very first line. It is how are you, and after the update it has been changed. Now it is how about you. So after this, so after the updation, so this is the updation line. After this, whenever you use this variable, it holds the data how about you, not the old string. How are you will not be printed and it prints only the updated value. So this is one way of modifying the data, complete string. So in case if you want to replace any one of the characters from the given string, that is possible with the function, that is replace function. So let's see how to do that. So now let us use replace function. For that, here we do have a variable, string variable, and the assignment statement, that is how are you, that is the value stored in that memory box. Now let's print the variable using this replace function. So the name of the string variable is str, and if I want to use this replace function, you have to keep a dot operator there and write the function name, that is replace. So after writing replace, open parenthesis, inside that you have to mention the character. So O should be replaced with the character E. It is up to you. You can replace any character by any other character. So let's print. What we have asked here is to replace O in the given string by E. So here in this string we do have two O. How there we do have a O and in U. So both the O's will be replaced by this given character. So now let's run the program. Yes, we got the output. Can you see the changes? Yes, the given string is replaced with a given character. So this replace function is used to update every single character in the given string. So this replace function is used to change all occurrences of a particular character in a string. So we have learned in two different ways you can modify the data. One is enter a new string. The other option is use replace function. And how to delete a given string? So let's see how to do that. So for example, here we have used a variable, string variable named str. Now what we are going to do is simply use del command to delete a particular character. So let's see how to do it. Simply type the keyword delete, that is del, and type the name of the variable str. Okay, so after this, if you want to know whether it is deleted or not, what we have to do, let's check it out with the print statement. Let's print the same variable. So I hope you will get error message for this line, because after deleting we cannot print. And now you're going to learn about string operators. So string operators are used to manipulate string. The operators are concatenation, append, repeating, string slicing, and stride when slicing string. So let us start with the first operator, that is concatenation. Concatenation means it is joining of two or more strings. So let us introduce the string first. First string is welcome and the operator is plus, and we are supposed to write the next word, that is next string Python. So two strings are there. After typing press enter, so you do get the result as welcome Python. Both the text, both the strings are joined together with the help of concatenation operator. So plus sign is used for concatenation as well as for addition. Addition is for numbers and concatenation is for string. And the next one is append. So what is meant by append? Adding more strings at the end of an existing string is actually called as append. And the operator used here is plus equal to. So we do have an existing string, that is welcome to. So let's add few more strings to the existing string. What we have to do? We have to use the operator. For the same variable, that is str is the variable, we are using append operator plus equal to, and let's extend the string. So welcome to is the existing data, and here I'm just going to write learn Python. So it will display welcome to learn Python. So for that what we have to do? Yes, print the variable so that you can view the data. So let's see the output. Yes, it works. Welcome to learn Python. So if you want to add few strings at the end of an existing string, you have to use append operator, and plus equal to is append operator. Okay, the next one is repeating operator. It is also called as multiplication operator. And this operator is used to display a string in multiple number of times. And yes, we do have a string here, that is welcome. Let us print this string with repeating operator. So repeating operator is nothing but asterisk symbol. I'm just writing the variable name, and let's use repeating operator, that is asterisk, and you have to mention how many number of times you need. So let me write 5 here. So 5 times the given string should be printed. So let's see the output. Yes, it prints 5 times. So this is what repeating operator. Asterisk symbol is repeating operator. And next you're going to learn about string slicing. So what is meant by slice? Slice is a substring of a main string. Simply slicing the string. Given string, you can slice it into multiple parts, like small pieces. So if you want to display few characters from the given string, yes, you can do it with slicing operator. So let me use that slice operator inside print statement. So inside print statement, we have to mention the variable, string variable, that is str, and let us use the string slicing operator, that is open and close square bracket. Here in this slicing operator, we do have two parameters. One is the value of start and the other one is end. So let us see, the start number is 0 and the end number, let me write 3. So what happens from 0 to second index only it works. So the last number I have given 3, but it will work up to 2. So what will be your output? The 0th index is W. Count from W, that is from 0 onwards you can count. Let's see the output. So well, only that much is executed. So this is a part of the main string. So this is what slicing. You can give as you like. Even you can start the start value, you can give any number. Let me give 2 here and let us increase the number here and check the output. So this is again a slice. Or else if you want to display only one single character, simply give one number. Simply give one number. Fourth indexed value will be displayed. Oh. So this is what slicing. You can simply ignore the start value or you can simply ignore the end value. So here I didn't mention any start value. So what will be the answer? Let's check. So it takes from 0. Okay. So if I'm going to ignore the end value, what happens? So let's check. I'm going to write 3 here and I'm ignoring the end value. Run the program. From third index onwards till the end it works. So this is what slicing. So last we are going to see about stride operator, that is stride when slicing string. So while we are using slicing operator, you can insert the stride as the third argument. So simply write a number here, keep colon and then write a number. So let me increase this number. Okay, now this is what the last number is, what stride. So now look at this slicing operator. We do have 3 arguments. First argument is the start value, second argument is the end value, and the third argument is stride. So what is meant by stride? Stride, it refers to the number of characters to move forward after the first character. It is just like increment. So initially we have given here the start as 0. So the next character to be print will be 0 plus 2, that is second indexed value. All these numbers are the index number. So if the start value is 0, it executes 0th index character. And the next character should be second index character. So let me run the program so you will understand. Yes, look at this. W, L, O. So this stride is like increment. Even you can use negative numbers just to display the given string in reverse order. So you can ignore the start value and end value and simply give negative number just to display the entire text, that is entire string in reverse order. Look at this. So this is what stride. Hope you understood. You will get 1 mark or 2 mark from this stride operator. Simply they will give the string and here randomly they will enter some numbers and they do ask what will be the output. So what will be the answer? Yes, string will be executed in reverse order with increment by -2. So first character, that is the last character given in the string, will be executed as the first character, that is E. And then that E index value is -1. So and the next character should be incremented by -2. So -1 plus -2 is -3. So -3 indexed character is O. So O will be printed next. So let's execute the program. Yes. So this works like this. You may get certain questions in this format. So it is easy. Simply you want to understand what concept is. If it is positive number, it is a standard characters. If it is negative number, negative subscript means you have to write the entire text in reverse order. So that's all for today. Thank you.